for today's Monday, 24th of month of August, year 2020. Yesterday was another fantastic edition and conclusion of UEFA Champions League, in which Bayern Munich won the Champions League for the record of 6 times, and the left PSG went home with nothing to show for their performance for the season. And with that one, I'm welcoming you to another sport. Akinwale Taofik, you can be part of the program by dialing the number 0904-863-1734. 0904-863-1734. That's the number to call to be live on the program. Just dial the number and you are on to win some of the fantabulous prizes already in the studio, courtesy our donors and sponsors, including Coach Aruna Ilerika from Abuja. He is National Under 15 coach, also the FA Secretary, Abuja Football Association. Mr. Raji Ramon Edatomola, CEO, Zenith Emperor FC Lagos. And let me just say appreciation to those who always stand by us, who always say close and appreciate our efforts. Dr. Abubakar Bayala, Emir Adebare Okanlomo Alimi in Washington, D.C., United States of America. Fujela Mutiu, Oakland, California, United States of America, is also part of us, always on the program. Kasim Oluwole Koka from Austin, Texas, United States of America. Also, and we have Coach Femi Olatunji, CEO. There is no doubt we have to always appreciate those who always be with us live on the program. Afolabi Idris Olarewaju Idris Aloma, back then in University of Agriculture Abeokuta, Ajibade Latif Adebowale, Alinze Idris Babatude, and the host of other Asiwaju Mofolorun, Babajide Prince Onifade, and I will not forget my personal person who is Queen. Is doing birthday, celebrating Gavad Ayotunde Olufemi, who is Alaja Ariket Adebolanle Gavad. Is celebrating her birthday today. Is the queen of his heart. I'm saying long life and prosperity. Happy birthday to you in good health and wisdom. Wishing you more life on the surface of the heart. Without taking much of our time, let's go straight to the program for the day, as we got a lot of information, a lot of story, especially yesterday. Yesterday, 2019-20 UEFA Champions League was concluded, dusted and gone forever. We are only expecting another edition to come up 2020-2021, and Kingsley Coman was the champion of the day, as his ender was just enough to save the Bayern Munich to win the Champions League for the record of 6 times. And let me quickly be yes, like I was saying, Kingsley Coman header just before the hour was enough to give Bayern Munich victory over PSG, as they were crowned European champions for the 6th time and left Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, still with an empty space in where they won the UEFA Champions League to be. Bayern Munich are the first team in the history of the competition to win every game in the single competition league campaign, with great performance in the tournament, including the thrashing. Everybody could remember the thrashing of mighty Barcelona, 8-2 in the Tottenham 7-2 on their own ground in the group stage. And don't forget that whitewashing of 16 and a lot of other things to talk about Bayern Munich. Some people were saying they deserve to be the champion for the season. Don't forget Roberto Lewandowski, who scored in 10 consecutive games in the UEFA Champions League for this season. And there are a lot of talking points that we just have to let you out. The talking point of the game was that of PSG paid hundreds of £millions to entice the likes of Neymar and Kylian Mbappe to their team, only to be undone by Kingsley Coman. And did the same. Kingsley Coman part of PSG team, as he was there as a youngster, only to see him leave first to Juventus and later to Bayern Munich, where he turned around fate of buried the hope of PSG in lifting the UEFA Champions League trophy, at least for the first time. And let me quickly tell you about another fate of another player that left Liverpool in 2018. That and subsequently Philippe Coutinho was missing out on Champions League final appearances at the end of that season. Therefore, watching from far, his former teammate won last season. His career at Camp Nou was also ranked a grand. And let me quickly tell you that Coutinho is now a winner after coming in as a substitute in 68 minutes of that yesterday encounter for Bayern Munich in Lisbon. Also part of those who planned the downfall of Barcelona in the 8-2 humiliation of his parent club in that remarkable quarter-final, as he scored twice after coming in as a substitute in that particular encounter also. Congratulations to Philippe Coutinho. And that's one thing, that's another lesson to most of us out there. Wherever you are not wanted, leave the place and go to is going to shine better. Congratulations to Philippe Coutinho, as he is now the European champion with Bayern Munich. And some people were complaining about the fact that from the quarterfinal stage to the final, it was an affair. It was one straight match, which was the first time it was on a home and away ground before now. And let me quickly tell you some of the advantages of home and away. Let's look back at some of the shots and the comeback in the history of UEFA Champions League. Yes, in the game, let's quickly look back and give ourselves some of the coming back as part of the benefits of home and away format in the UEFA Champions League. The first one I shall be talking on the program for today is that of Manchester United comeback against Juventus in the second leg of 1999 Champions League semi-final. Manchester United fans out there can quickly remember that particular encounter in which Manchester United, they came back. Yes, another coming back in the history of UEFA Champions League was that of Camp Nou in 2012. And don't forget another one, that of Barcelona remarkable recovery from 4-0 down to beat PSG in the last round of 16 in 2017. And also let me quickly remind you of that of Liverpool 4-0 win over Barcelona at Anfield in 2019 on their way to the final. And that one allowed them to overturn 3 goals. Lot of coming back in the game of UEFA Champions League. And let me quickly remind you of that of Lucas Moura winners. Amsterdam, 5 seconds from the time in the Amsterdam ground. And to give them victory on a away goal from 3-0 down, which took them to the final in Madrid. And a lot of other ones that we can make mention when we are talking about coming. And let me quickly tell you another part of the story for the coming back in the history of UEFA Champions League and many other ones. People are now complaining about the fact that this edition 2019-2020 this one saw a lot of teams out of the competition as a result of whitewashing in just only one leg encounter, and a lot of other upsets which are the trademark of home and away format. But UEFA president Alexander Severin has made himself Alexander Severin, in his own word, was suggesting that this may not be the last we see in the new setup, in the new format for the competition. Congratulations to the Bayern Munich for them winning UEFA Champions League for a record of 6 times. And from there, let me quickly bring down to you in the game of basketball, NBA's playoff season. History was made yesterday in the play. 21-year-old Slovenia player, I'm talking of Dallas Maverick Lukas Doncic, became the youngest player in the history of NBA playoff to make a 40-point triple-double as he hit a buzzer beater against the Los Angeles Clippers yesterday. And let me quickly be informing you that Doncic, 43 points, 135 to 133 points to level the series, and he joins the likes of Charles Barkley and Oscar Robertson as the only player to have scored at least 40 points and 10 assists in a playoff game. And let me quickly be informing you that Donzig made 43 points, 17 rebounds, and 13 assists, despite playing the game with a sprained ankle. Also, another history was made as somewhere else where Donovan Mitchell and Jamal Murray both scored 50 points. Utah Jazz beat Murray Denver's Nuggets. Like I was telling you, another history was made somewhere else in the game of basketball, NBA playoff season, as Donovan Mitchell and Jamal Murray both scored 50 points. Plus, Mitchell Utah Jazz beat Murray Denver Nuggets 129-127 to take a 3-1 series lead. This is also the first time in the history of NBA playoff that opponents both have players. Mitchell scored 51 points, including 4 3-pointers, while Murray made 50 points for himself. Now joined the likes of Michael Jordan and Allen Iverson as the only player to have scored 50+ points twice in the game playoff series. And on that note, I shall be coming to the end of today's program on Dortmund Sport Radio International. Is your darling man, the anchor, Akinwale Taofik, the Don of Sport. Don't forget to join me tomorrow on Radio International. Until tomorrow, when I shall be coming your way for another edition, let me quickly give kudos to those who have been part of us on the program, those who always come on live to join us once we are on the studio. Akim Banu Taofik is always there, and also Afolani Adewumi, and the light and the host of others who always come online, and Dr. Abubakar Bayala, Emir Adeba, and the last and the host of another edition of Sporting Beat on Dortmund Sport Radio International. My name is Sport Akinwale Taofik. Remain blessed and have a blessed day ahead of you. Stars on the beat. 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 Stars on the beat.